in their dreams. And she said, I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool
lost and insecure. You found me, you found me.
As long as you love me.
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees.
Though the truth may vary, this ship will carry on.
California alone. I can't get you out of my mind, no matter what.
Hit me, baby, one more time.
People want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. You said sit back down when you belong in the corner.
Dance, dance, we're falling apart to have time.
I'm only human, and I bleed when I fall. It's dark and a cold December, but I got you to keep me warm. Oh, won't you stay with me? Bringing booty back, go in and tell them skinny bitches that I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. The superficial love shit got me going crazy. Baby, if you want me, then you better need to wear that dress you like, skin tight, do my hair up real nice.
Seeing is deceiving, dreaming is believing. It's okay not to be okay. Let me start by saying, ooh, baby, won't you come my way? Everybody wanna
Steal my girl, everybody wanna take her heart away. Tryna break the chains, but the chains only break me.
I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth into the light of 1,000 stars. Meet to your best friend's house. Love you then and I'll love you now. Oh yeah.
Like blah blah blah. Lower 13 in a solo me, nigga, you just bought a shot. Oh, hello from the other side.
1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry.
What am I supposed to do? And the best part of me was always you. All I want is a taste that your lips allow.
Let me go.
Let's get it now. Ooh, I want the time of my life.
Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend. This is how I show my love. Blame it on my mind.
If we're talking body, you've got a perfect one, so put it on me. Ain't another one bites the dust. Oh, why can I not conquer love? I'm doing this shit, I'm fresh out the kitchen, I'm running my body, got every minute to push it. All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit. Cancel up my ex and put a line through that bitch.